Relationship between mankind and knowledge is of great importance. Iqra University recognizes this importance, where your future begins. International standards, innovate, educate, achieve, compete, and multicultural campus. Iqra University offers development studies, technology management, fashion design, computer sciences, management sciences, including engineering and executive programs in provincial and federal capital of Pakistan. Iqra University strives to be a world-class institution of higher education and research. It aims to develop a prosperous and progressive society. Contact Iqra University, Karachi, Quetta, Lahore, Peshawar, Islamabad. Phone 111-264-264.